feeding your curiosity, fueling our passion. Let's satisfy our quest for knowledge with today's question.
Humming noises from your fridge usually mean it's cooling properly, but if the hum gets louder or changes, it might be a sign of a dirty condenser coil or a failing compressor. Regular cleaning can prevent these issues. So, a quiet hum is normal, but loud or unusual sounds mean it's time to check your fridge.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.